Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from group Power Beta Rangers.
My name is IHSAN,
FIKRI.
ASILLAH,
NURINA,
We will be presenting Augmented
Reality.
So, what is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a type of technology that allows digital images and information to be displayed into the physical environment. In the other words, or in short, we uses the existing real-world environment and puts virtual info or even virtual world on top of it and enhance the experience. Firstly, the history of augmented reality. So as we know, every single thing in this world has its own history, wherever, when it started, and how it developed from time to time. Okay, first, in year 1968, Ivan Sutherland developed the first hand-mounted display system. This system used the computer-generated graphics to show users sample wireframe drawings. So in this picture is the example of hand-mounted display. Next, in year 1974, Myron Krueger built an AR laboratory called the Video Place. So the Video Place combined projectors with the video cameras that emitted on screen silhouettes surrounding users in an interactive environment. In year 1990, Tom Caudill, who is the Boeing researcher, coined or created the term of augmented reality. Next, from year 1992 to 2030, AR is widely used in various fields. This is including military, aerospace, entertainment, sports, print media, and also automotive. The next year, in 2014, Google announces shipment of Google Glass devices for consumers, thus starting the trend of wearable AR. During this year, Magic Leap announces the largest AR investment of $15 million. Lastly, in year 2016, augmented reality and virtual reality (VR) invested has reached $1.1 billion. So Microsoft HoloLens developer kit and the Meta 2 developer kit set to ship during that year.
Moving on to the second topic, the benefits of augmented reality. The first one is the business. The first point is it drives user engagement. For instance, AR power filters where they enable customers to build, engage, and share their personalized photo and video with other users. The second point is it offers customers with a unique digital experience. For example, Gucci's virtual try-on feature where the brand allows customers to combine both virtual and in-store experience. The third point is stand out from competitor. As we know, a unique product experience is among the benefits. Despite it is new, the product also has a very high potential to go viral. The last point is it increases sales. For example, AR powered virtual try-on feature it helps users try buying and be more confident with their purchases. More confident customer means the lower is the product return rate. The second one is the healthcare. The benefits in healthcare. Okay, the first one is helping to train the healthcare professional. This can be proven through the COVID-19 pandemic. AR can be a critical tool for students to get a better access on patient medical records like X-rays and CT scans. The second one is assistant tool for surgeons. For example, Microsoft HoloLens that are being used by surgeons to assist with streamlined surgical procedures. The third one, enhancing patient consultation, which made immersive technologies such as AR have tangible results in terms of enhancing learning processes and is really helpful to help the patient understand their conditions. The last one is vein detection. For your guys' information, AR has been adopted by nurses and doctors to improve their vein detection. It uses a combination of laser-based scanner, processing system, and digital laser projection housed in a portable handheld device. The last one is the education. The benefits in education. The first one is student engagement and interest. It is proven that student interest skyrockets since it gives them an opportunity to engage in creating a fun educational content. The second point is we can learn from everywhere, which means we does not need to be physically present in a set location to be able to learn. The third point is increased content understanding. The content and images like illustration, graphic and animation can help students understand the topic better. The last one is long-term memory retention. Human brain process images 60,000 more faster than text.
Let me continue with the application of augmented reality. In this world, there are many applications that we can use from augmented reality. One of them is medical training, then retail, and in the repair and maintenance industry. Let me go through with the first application of augmented reality, medical training. One of the uses of AR in medical training is for medical students to learn in depth of the anatomy of humans and maybe animals using AR. Second, they can learn medical training in more an interactive way and more efficient. And lastly, they can run simulations by using AR, the simulation of medical operation. Universities or medical institutions that have used AR in their medical training is such as PPUM and St. Louis Hospital. Moving to the next application of AR, retail industry. In retail industry, AR is widely used in big companies such as IKEA, MOHD, and of course Jaya Grocer too. They compare prices from each other retail stores that by using AR. Secondly, it will give a better customer experience by using AR to go through their products. And lastly, they can add additional information by using AR when they're selling their products. My last point of application in augmented reality will be repair and maintenance. In repair and maintenance industry, AR is used largely and widely in this industry. They are used to locate the damaged spot in a certain places in the cars or aeroplanes maybe. They also will, AR also will be suggesting the potential fix that will be given to the appliance that are being fixed. And lastly, it will be given a better information about the car or the appliance that are being fixed.
Moving on to our next and last point, the disadvantages of AR. Despite paving ways to a modern and higher technology, AR also have few disadvantages. We have concluded that there are three main disadvantages to be emphasized in our research, which are in terms of cost, privacy and security concern, and health issue. First thing first, AR technology are costly. It is very expensive to create, develop, and even to maintain its performance. Some AR technology are too complex for average user and require an expertise experience to develop a good AR technology. The average cost for an app may range up to $100,000. Since the maintenance are high costs, not everyone can invest in augmented reality. Thus, only some large organizations have the advantage to implement the AR technology in their product. However, some small companies can't afford this technology. The next disadvantages may cause worry to the user, that because it is related to the privacy and security concern. The drawback of AR is that it is based on collection, analysis, and distribution of data into the collection of big data. Some AR systems may collect personal data from the user to personalize its device into its own owner. However, this act may cause the personal data to be misused and, moreover, may be leaked to unresponsible agency. Lastly, in terms of health issue, studies says that AR technology has many unprecedented health risks. The wearer of AR devices will immerse themselves into the virtual world created by the technology, which could lead to hearing loss, damaged eyes, and even induce some behavioral changes. Apart from that, for users that have an addiction towards this technology may develop a confused mind that can't differentiate between the real world and the world created by the AR technology itself. This may cause many more health issues, such as mental health. In conclusion, we expect and believe in the future, AR technology will continue to develop in many more aspects. Furthermore, the expansion of 5G networks has made it easier to support higher technology of AR, and it will provide a higher data speed and latency for the AR technology to work. However, they may still cause some negative consequences. But we believe that these disadvantages can be solved, and there are still more advantages compared to the disadvantages. And we strongly believe that AR technology will improve human lifetime in the future.